With roots stretching back to 1917, this Canadian manufacturer delivers one of the industry's widest ranges of asphalt equipment. Precision manufacturing, advanced facilities, and uncompromising quality drive every build, all backed by a long-standing commitment to service that goes the extra mile. Dedicated to quality and innovation for more than a century. Join us in Toronto and meet Marathon Equipment Incorporated.
Marathon Equipment is a Canadian manufacturer of commercial-grade equipment. We manufacture asphalt and concrete maintenance equipment, as well as roofing and waterproofing equipment. Our equipment is sold worldwide.
Marathon Equipment was founded by my father, Robert Russo, back in the 80s. He got his start in the industry by seal coating in the Toronto area, and an opportunity arose for him to acquire Marathon, and later on he acquired another company called Air Oil, which was well known at the time. Together those two make up what Marathon Equipment is today. One of our core values here at Marathon is something my dad used to say to me every day, which is hard work pays off, and I live by that motto to this day. So Marathon Equipment has really invested in its production processes in the last decade. We're capable of manufacturing everything in-house, from the trailer to the paint to the final assembly of the equipment. We've invested in an ERP system that really helps with production and inventory, and as a result, we've really sped up our build times. Being able to pre-build the pieces of the components of the equipment has really helped, and simplifying our product lineup by just focusing on the equipment that we know really works in the industry.
We offer a complete line of equipment that covers every aspect of asphalt repair, from crack preparation and sealing to pothole repair and surface treatment. What sets us apart is that we manufacture solutions for the entire process. Our equipment is designed with safety and efficiency in mind, with many of our key features included in our standard offering. From there, our customization is focused on specific industry requirements for different applications. The success of Marathon Equipment Inc. starts with our people. We have a skilled and dedicated team across engineering, manufacturing, sales, and service who take great pride in the equipment they build and support. Their commitment ensures that every machine meets the highest standard of performance and reliability. This strong teamwork allows us to keep improving and building relationships throughout the asphalt industry.
The experience partnering with Marathon Equipment has been exciting. They've grown our relationships with our end customers and allowed us to break into new markets with smaller and larger scale customers, being contractors or even a small tennis court contractor with the ability to grow his business.
When Mark Russo first came and talked to me about representing Marathon in the United States, I was really honored. Representing a family-owned and operated business has been a pleasure. The pride, the craftsmanship, the reliability has just been unprecedented.
Marathon Equipment manufactures top quality commercial grade equipment. It's durable, it's easy to use, we're competitive in the marketplace, and our equipment is used worldwide. That's what makes us the world's greatest.